Hey everyone, you're currently in week 10, and there's a few things that I wanted to go over with you. The first thing is only about half the class has signed up for the practice presentations, and it's really important that this gets taken care of as soon as possible so that you can be in the proper groups and so that you can do your dress rehearsal like practice presentations there in week 11 so that you're ready for your final presentations thereafter so that you get points for it as well. I sent out that link both via email and it's in the prior announcement from last week. So please access it if you have not done so yet and make sure to sign up with the team there. As well, in the prior announcement and in the prior email that I sent you, there was the rubric there for the practice presentation. So please look that over as you create your presentation, and you will use that to critique each other as you do the week 11 practice presentation. I will be grading with that same rubric as I grade your final presentation. So please have a look at that and use it. As far as the logistics of presenting, I'm really waiting for everybody to sign up or more people to sign up before I send out more information, just because I need to select kind of like a team lead from each group. That person's not going to be doing anything too crazy. They're just going to be sending out their Zoom room link to the rest of the team and recording the session. Then they'll be sending the link to the recording to each member of the group, who will then turn it in to me. So that's going to kind of be the logistics of that. I will be putting together a tutorial on how to use Zoom to record and do a couple of other things here in the very near future to send out to you so that you have that and you know kind of what the expectation is as far as recording and so on and so forth. That is in addition to the instructions that are already in week 11 for the practice presentation. So just to kind of, that tutorial will kind of give you a little bit of an idea of how to use Zoom. As well, I will be sending out your total hours here soon. If you haven't completed the 50 hours, you'll be getting an email. If you have completed your 50 hours, you'll probably get a generic email that says something like, congratulations, according to my records, you have completed your 50 hours. If you have not completed your 50 hours, I will be giving you kind of a status report of how many hours I have logged for you as of the end of week 10. So be looking for that. This week, in my studies of the Book of Mormon, I have been reading the Book of Alma in chapter 32 and run across in 32 those who have been cast out of the synagogues who are looking for a place of worship. And I'm kind of struck by verse 13 about being humble. It says, "And now because ye are compelled to be humble, blessed are ye, for a man sometimes, if he is compelled to be humble, seeketh repentance. And now surely whosoever repenteth shall find mercy, and he that findeth mercy and endureth to the end, the same shall be saved." So I want to be one of those people that tries to be humble and doesn't have to be compelled to be humble. I know that as we're humble, that we're teachable. We're teachable in the things of both the things of the gospel and pertaining to all other things. I'm grateful for these chapters in the Book of Mormon, what they teach us about being humble and teachable. At any rate, I hope you have a great week and that you will reach out to me if there's anything that I can help you with. And I will either see you at the Research and Creative Works Conference here pretty soon. I'm meeting with a few more of you tonight for your instructor meetings. And the rest of you, I will be in contact with either via email or at any rate, I look forward to seeing all your practice presentations and your final presentations here in the near future. So reach out if you need anything.